SEO versus PPC. Both drive traffic, both cost resources, but they work very differently, and knowing when to use each one can change how you allocate your entire marketing budget. Let's define both, then compare them directly. SEO, search engine optimization, is the practice of improving your website so it ranks higher in organic search results. No cost per click. But it takes time, typically 3 to 6 months or more, to see meaningful results. The upside: once you rank, the traffic is essentially free and compounds over time. PPC, pay-per-click, is paid search advertising. You bid on keywords, and your ad appears at the top of search results. You pay every time someone clicks. The upside: you get traffic immediately, you control your spend, and you can target very precisely. The downside: the moment you stop paying, the traffic stops. So which one should you use? Use SEO when you're playing a long game. It builds lasting visibility, drives compounding returns, and is especially powerful for informational content, product pages, and evergreen topics. Use PPC when you need results fast. A product launch, a seasonal campaign, testing a new market, or competing in a space where you don't rank organically yet. The best answer for most businesses: both. SEO for sustainable long-term growth. PPC to fill gaps, test fast, and capture high-intent queries while SEO builds. Email marketing fits naturally alongside both, capturing traffic from SEO and PPC into a list you own and can market to forever. Visit Mailchimp.com to learn more.